In this video, we're going to be discussing skew, and we're going to see some physical examples of what that looks like on distributions. So skew is a measure of asymmetry of a probability distribution. So you're seeing how unsymmetrical the probability distribution is. So if we look at the first one, here we got a symmetric distribution, and we notice here at this point, like here, it's symmetrical either side of that line. The left-hand side and the right-hand side look exactly the same. Okay. Now, in a box plot, if we had our tails and whiskers up onto that, we can see that again, at this point here, the median, the distribution is symmetric. We can hold up a mirror at that arrow there, and it will look the same from both sides. Now, we have this first type of skew called positive skew. Now, that is where if we take this arrow in our symmetric distribution, it was the same either side of the arrow. Here, it's not. Here, the right-hand side has been extended. So where we'd expect it to go down like this, the right-hand side has been extended and it's a bit taller where it wasn't on the symmetric one. Now, because it's been stretched on the right-hand side of the distribution, we call this positive skew. Now, again, on our box plot, we notice that to the right of our median, it's been stretched out. So positive skew is when the distribution has been stretched to the right-hand side. We also have negative skew, and that's the other way round. So our point here, where on the symmetric distribution, the mirror line was, and we could get it the same on the left and right. Here, it's extended and stretched to the left-hand side. Again, the box plot is the same as before, but in the opposite direction. So this one has been stretched to the left-hand side. So let's look at an example. So here we've got ourselves a box plot, and it's asking us what type of skew does the following distribution have? So we see here we've got our median. The right-hand side, sorry, the left-hand side is much, much smaller than the right-hand side. It's like the right-hand side has been stretched out. So when the right-hand side has been stretched out, we can see from our examples here that we have positive skew. It's been stretched to the right. So this example is positive skew.